Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic for all you entrepreneurs and digital marketers out there. Affiliate marketing, if you're looking for ways to monetize your blog, website, or social media channels. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to do it, but where do you start? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 affiliate marketing websites that can help you maximize your earnings. Let's get started. First on the list is Amazon Associates. If you're new to affiliate marketing, this is the place to begin. Amazon has millions of products, so you'll never run out of things to promote. Plus, it's easy to sign up and you get access to affiliate link. You can earn commissions from 1 to 10, depending on the product category. It's perfect for bloggers, YouTubers, or anyone who creates product reviews. Next up is ShareASale, one of the biggest and most reliable affiliate networks out there. With over 20 years in the business, it has a huge variety of products, from physical goods to software services. Next, it offers a user-friendly interface and detailed tracking tools so you can monitor your performance. If you're looking for flexibility and variety, ShareASale is a top contender. Number 3 on our list is CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction. CJ is another powerhouse in the affiliate world, especially for high-end brands. With CJ you can connect with brands like Lowe's, GoPro, and Grammarly. It's perfect for those who want to work with premium companies and enjoy a solid payout structure. The platform provides robust reporting, making it easy to optimize. Coming in at number 4 is Rakuten Advertising. Rakuten is a global leader in affiliate marketing and offers access to some of the world's largest brands. What sets Rakuten apart is its focus on long-term partnerships and a premium network of affiliates. It's great if you want to work with top-tier retailers and get paid for generating sales and leads. And last but certainly not least, we have ClickBank. ClickBank is a fantastic platform, especially for digital products. If you're into promoting eBooks, courses, or software, ClickBank should be your go-to. The commissions are often much higher here, with some products offering up to 75% in commissions. If you're looking to promote digital products with high payouts, this is the platform for you. So, there you have it. These are the top 5 affiliate marketing websites to help you start making money online. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your affiliate business, these platforms offer something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. And don't forget to drop a comment below with your favorite affiliate marketing website. See you next time.